Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Excel. Back into an answer using GoalSeek. Back into an answer. In a simple case like this one, GoalSeek will almost always succeed. Excel considers different input values until it finds your solution. Excel finds the price to yield the desired payment. To accept the solution, click OK. To revert to the original value, click Cancel.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In Excel 2016 for Mac, on the Data tab, click What If Analysis, and then click GoalSeek. In Excel for Mac 2011, on the Data tab, in the Data Tools group, click What If Analysis, and then click GoalSeek. In the Set Cell box, enter the reference for the cell that contains the formula that you want to resolve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.